Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check battery health of Hyundai IONIQ 5. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so to assess the battery health of your Hyundai IONIQ 5, you can utilize a OBD2 scanner paired with a compatible app, as this vehicle's built-in system may not provide detailed battery health metrics, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown of how to use an OBD2 scanner and app. Alright, so we need to obtain a compatible OBD2 adapters. There's many that you can choose from. But devices like the VPAC, OBD Check, BOE are popular choices. Then from there, we need to install a diagnostic app onto your phone. So apps such as Car Scanner are commonly used within the IONIQ 5. Then from here, we need to connect to your vehicle. So plug the OBD2 adapter into the diagnostic port beneath the dashboard. Pair the adapter with your smartphone via Bluetooth, and then open the diagnostic app and select your vehicle model. And then from here, we need to access battery metrics. So navigate to the battery management system section within the app. Look for parameters such as state of health indicates the battery's overall condition. Remaining energy at 100% shows the actual usable capacity when fully charged. And cell voltage balancing ensures uniform voltage across all battery cells. Alright, so here's some tips for maintaining good battery health. So to prolong the lifespan of your Hyundai's battery. So avoid frequent fast charging and maintain moderate charge levels. Precondition the battery. So use the preconditioning feature before driving, especially in extreme temps. And also consistent use helps maintain good battery health.